Arnulf of Leuven, Salve Caput Cruentatum, Episode 10. Cum me iubes emigrardere Iesu cardere tunc apardere, o amator amplectende, temet ipsum tunc ostende, in cruce salutifera. And now the final stanza. Notice how each of these rhyme, emigrardere, apardere, amplectende, and ostende. Each of these rhyme at the end of the line, and this one, salutifera, rhymes with the end of line 45, which was the imperative libera, which you can find in the previous episode, episode number 9. And remember that this rhyming stanzic poetry is basically trochaic in arrangement, that is, a series of long, short syllables. So then the conclusion of the translation. When, cum, you bid me emigrare, when you command me or bid me to go from this place, to emigrate, that is, for my soul to leave my body and head it to the next life, when you do that, dear Jesus, or sweet Jesus, at that time appear or be present. So we have cum here with the indicative. Cum plus the indicative is taken temporally or circumstantially. The grammar books describe this differently, but either way it means when, and it is like a parenthetical idea. When you order me, eubase, second singular, present, indicative, and active from the second conjugation verb eubeo, like so, eubere. So what do you command? You command me emigrare. You command that I depart. Emigrare is a first conjugation verb. It has a and then migro, to move from one place to the next, and me is going to be masculine singular and accusative. It is the poem's author, Arnulf. So when that happens, dear Jesus, Iesu care, masculine, singular, and vocative. Very fitting that in the last stanza we have another vocative where he refers to his Lord with these tender terms, Iesu cardere. At that time, tunc apardere or apardere. And this is going to be second singular. It's going to be present, imperative, and active from the second conjugation verb appareo apparere, to be present or to appear. O lover, o amator, amplectende. So both of these here, amator and amplectende, are masculine singular and vocative. And this one, amplectende, is from the verb amplector, amplecti, which is a third conjugation deponent verb, here used in the vocative. Amator, a third declension noun, amator, amatoris, like so, and masculine. So here, Iesu cardere, he speaks to Christ. Here again, O lover, amator, who is to be embraced, worthy of or deserving or needing to be embraced. And then the last two lines, temet ipsum. So this is an emphatic masculine singular and accusative form, temet ipsum. You can see te met, and then ipsum added to it. It's a very emphatic form. At that time, tunc. When you bid me to leave this world, at that time, tunc. Show, ostende, show yourself. Appear at the moment of my death. And ostende, second singular, present, imperative, and active from the third conjugation verb ostendo, ostendere, like so. At that point, tunc, which will be illo tempore, is a way to understand this adverb. At that time, reveal your own dear self in cruce salutifera, in your salvation-bringing cross. So as the stanza and the poem ends, we have cruce, feminine singular and ablative with the preposition in, and salutifera in the same gender number case. And salutifera, as you can see, is a compound of salus, meaning salvation, plus the verb fero, which means to bear or to carry. So show up at that very point, reveal your own self, temet ipsum, in your cross that brings salvation. And so the stanza and the poem comes to an end. Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment.
You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.